Hi children, welcome to your Maths Week 4. Today's date is the 29th of the 1st, 2021, and the learning objective for today will be to be able to solve word problems involving calculations, the total amount of money. Let's begin.
Okay children, so this is your starter for today. We have a problem that we want you to have a go and work out. It is a little bit tricky, but I know that you're all superstars at money now, so have a go. So Amy has 50p. She buys a pencil for 30p. And then it says tick the purse that shows how much money Amy has left. Now, obviously, you don't have this worksheet at home, so you can't tick it. But what you can do is you can quickly draw the purse. Miss Fenn's going to show you how to draw it. You can just draw the purse and draw the coins of how much Amy has left inside the purse. Okay, so I want you to go off, have a go. She has 50p. She buys a pencil for 30p. How much does she have left? Now, the clue for that sentence is the word left, and that should show you what maths skill you're going to be using today. So off you go and come back when you're ready. Lovely, welcome back. So the word left tells us that we're adding today. No, good. We are taking away today. So we have got 50p, take away 30p that she spent on her pencil, equals. Now remember, when we're taking away tens, if we just take away the 0 to help us, the number sentence becomes less scary. So what is 5 take away 3? 2, good, but we have to remember that we have to add our zeros back on. So Amy is left with 20p. Now let's go through our purses to see which one is correct. So we need to have the purse that has 20p inside of it. So we're going to look at the first purse and we're going to count in our fives. 5, 10, 15. Has that got 20p in it? No, so we're going to cross that one out. Let's look at our next purse. 20p add 5 is 25. Has that got the 20p left? No, that's got too much money in, so we're going to cross that one out. Let's look at the third purse. 10 add 10 is 20. Add 5 more is 25. No, that's not got 20p in it. It's got too much money. Let's look at our last purse. 10 add 5 is 15. Add 5 more is 20. Good. So that is the correct purse. So hopefully you can see 10p and 5p and 5p. So that is the correct purse there. 10 add 5 is 20p. I'm going to pass over to Miss Kay, ready for the in focus.
So for your in focus today, we'll be looking at your total amount, okay? So the question is, what is the total cost of the sandwich and the toy? Now the key word is total, okay? So have a go, pause the video and come back to go through the answer. Welcome back. Let's go through the answers and to see how your book has worked it out. So let's learn. We have a bar model to show us how much money Sam has spent, okay? So Sam buys a sandwich for £3. He also buys a toy for £9. So we are going to draw you a bar model to show you. So sandwich is £3 and the toy is £9. The question is, how much does Sam pay in all, okay? So if we add £3 and £9 together, the answer becomes 12, okay? So Sam pays £12 in all. So let's think of different ways we can come up with £12. So Miss Kay's way is having £5, another £5, £1, and another £1.
Good. How much have you made altogether, Miss Kay?
12. So I have 5 plus 5, 10, add 1, 11, add another pound is 12.
Good. Well done. Perfect. So children, if you wasn't sure of how if Miss Fen and Miss Kay have worked it out correctly, what could you do to check our answers? Good, and hopefully you're all shouting out the answers at home. You could do £12, take away £3. If you get £9, then you know that we've done it correctly. Or you could do £12, take away the £9, and if your answer was £3, then you know that me and Miss Kay have worked out question 1 correctly. Well done, year 2. Okay, moving on to question 2. Now, this is the same question that we had yesterday, but Miss Fen has added an extra step just to make it a little bit trickier, okay? So, you're going to have a go at question 2, and you're going to come back when you're ready. It's a little bit trickier. There are 2 bar models, but we did do a question yesterday that had 2 bar models. So go off and take your time and see if you can work it out and come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back, year 2. Now, Miss Fen has got her whiteboard and she's going to go through this with you step by step so that we can work it out together. So, we have got Hannah, who has saved 40p on Monday. So Miss Fen's going to draw 40p straight away for Monday. 40p. Yep, that's how much Hannah has saved. She saves 15p on Tuesday. So we need a smaller box. Why has Miss Fen made it smaller? Good, because 15p is smaller than 40p, isn't it? Good. So I've got 40p and 15p, and I'm going to do that first because my first question, A, is how much in total does Hannah save on Monday and Tuesday? Now, I have got my coins to help me. So I've got my 40p, and then I've got my 15p. And you are going to help me count to see how much I have in total. Oh, let's move it down a little bit so Miss Fen can write her total underneath the bar model. So I need to find out the total amount for my bar. So I've got 40p and my 15p, and you're going to help me count it. So, ready? 20p add 20p is 40p. Add 10p is 50p. Add 5 more is 55p. Fantastic. So 55p is how much money Hannah saves on Monday and Tuesday. That is question 1A done. The answer to 1A, I'm going to write it here, is 55p. But we have another step to our word problem, and it says that we need to work out how much money Hannah is going to save over the 3 days, okay? So question B, we need to work out how much Hannah saves in total for Monday, for Tuesday, and for Wednesday, okay? So Miss Fen's going to draw the same bar that we just had for question 1A. So we had 40p on our Monday. We had 15p on our Tuesday. Now, look at your Wednesday. She saves 30p on Wednesday. So I'm going to draw a bit of a bigger bar because 30p is bigger than 15p, but it's not as big as this 40p. Good, okay? So we need to work out how much she has saved in total for the 3 days, okay? So we already know that this part here is 55p. So we need to just add 30p more to get our answer. So what we're going to do, Miss Fen's going to move her money down. So we know that we already have 55 here. 40 and 15 is 55p. We just need to add 30p more. Now I've got my 30p. And to help us count, I'm just going to move the 5p at the end. I've not taken it away. I've just put it at the end of our line because that will help us with our counting. So 20p, add 20p is 40p, add 10 more is 50p, add 10 more is 60p, add 10 more is 70p, add 10 more is 80p, add 5. Good. 85p is how much money Hannah saved for Monday, for Tuesday, and for Wednesday. Altogether, she saves 85p over the 3 days. That was a bit of a tricky question, but you just did amazing. Well done, Year 2. So, moving on to your guided practice. Now, Miss Fen would like you to go off and have a go at question 1A by yourself or with an adult at home. You need to calculate how much the sweet and the stamp cost all together. And looking at that word all together means that we are adding. Good job. So you're going to do 45p, add 39p. Before you go off and press pause, Miss Fen is going to show you what your bar model should look like. So you're doing a 45p bar model at home with a 39p bar model at home, and then you're going to work out how much it is in total. Okay? So pause the video now, have a go, and come back when you're ready. Lovely. Welcome back, Year 2. So hopefully you have drawn out your bar model. Now, Miss Fen is going to show you 2 different ways that you can work out this problem. Miss Fen showed you this way yesterday, but I have another way to help you. So we are doing 45p, add 39p. So I'm going to start with my second method here because this is the way that we went through yesterday. Miss Fen has got her money here ready. So we've got the 45p at the top and I'm just going to draw a box around so you can see. So this is 45p and this here is 39p. So we're going to add our money up together. I'm hoping you can see that. So 20p, add 20p is 40p, add another 20p is 60p, add 10p is 70p, add 5p, 75p, add another 5p, 80p, add 2p, 82, add another 2p, 84. Good. So the answer altogether is 84p. Now, some of you might not have money at home, which is fine if you don't have the coins available. So another way that you can work it out is using our column method that we have been practicing. So Miss Fen has got her column method. What have I forgotten to put into my column method? Good, I've forgotten to put my add sign. Now, do I start with my 10s for my column method or do I start with my 1s? I start with my 1s. Good. Now, what is 5 add 9? 5 add 9 or 9 add 5. It doesn't matter what way you work it out. Good. Hopefully you're all telling me at home. 14. So I'm going to put my 4 at the bottom. I don't want to put my 10 for my 14 here. I need to put it at the top so we remember to count it. So 4 10s, add 3 10s is 7 10s. Good. But we need to add this extra 10. 8 10s. Good. And have I got the same answer? I have 84p. It's the same as adding with our coins or using our column method. Fantastic, Year 2. Miss Kate is going to explain to you question 2.
So following question 1A, we're going to use your bar model again. This time it's a little bit different because we have 4 items. So what we're going to do, we're going to split it.
Yep, sorry, miss, I was just drawing it.
So this time we have 2 burgers that are £2 each, just like in the first example. And then we have 2 sweets that are 45p each. So what I'm going to do is ask you to pause the video and have a go using both of these bar models. Remember, the key word is cost all together, okay? So whether you'll be taking away or adding. So pause the video and have a go and come back when you're ready. Welcome back, year 2. So now we're gonna go through the method of how you work it out. So if we have £2, add £2, which is £4 for your 2 burgers. And then we have 45 pence, add 45 pence for your 2 sweets. Now 45 add 45 is 90p. Well done.
Good. And if you wasn't sure of how to work that out, children, you could draw the column method like we just did in the previous question. I'm just going to draw it out for you now.
Thank you.
So 5 add 5, Miss K, is
10. So you put 0 and 1 goes into our tens column. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. Add another 1 is 9. So the answer becomes 90. So it's 90p. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add your 90p and your £4, which becomes £4.90. Amazing job.
good. So I'm going to write £4 and 90p. Or if some of you have been writing it using the decimal point, then I'm going to write the answer for you now. £4 and 90p. There we go. Lovely. Right, year 2, your task today is to go into your workbook. You are going to be completing page 33 and page 34 of your workbook today. Please remember to write the date, which is the 29th of the 1st, 2021. And yes, have a go at doing page 33 and 34. Miss Fen will add the answers on a separate PowerPoint so that you can mark your work, and then you can add your work onto Class Dojo, which we are very much looking forward to seeing. You are doing an amazing job with money, and me and Miss Kate are very, very proud of you, and we are looking forward to seeing your work. Have a lovely day and see you soon. Bye.
Bye.